Hello gamers, the Battlefield 6 open beta is here. Apart from the heavy system requirements, it also needs you to enable the Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. In order to enable the Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, you need to have the UEFI firmware in your motherboard, and UEFI supports only the GPT disk, not the MBR one. And you don't have to worry because most of the modern computers support the UEFI and the GPT disk. You only need to enable the Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 from the BIOS. Alright, first let's go to the Windows search and look for MS Info 32 and open the System Information app. And here you will find all the details about your PC. Now we will look for the BIOS mode and the Secure Boot state. Now the BIOS mode on my PC is UEFI, but in your case it might be CSM, Legacy or UEFI. So we will change the BIOS mode and Secure Boot state is off. Right now it is off, so we need to enable the Secure Boot. In order to find whether your motherboard or PC supports the Secure Boot TPM 2.0, you have to check the motherboard model. And here you can see the baseboard manufacturer, that is motherboard manufacturer. Baseboard product is the motherboard model number. So you have to note down your motherboard model number. Check on Google whether it supports Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. Most of the modern computers supports the UEFI, TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. Now let's check if the TPM is enabled or not. Press Windows plus R key together on your keyboard and type tpm.msc, then hit OK. And if the TPM is enabled, you will see all the details, but if it is off, you will see compatible TPM cannot be found. So we need to enter into BIOS mode, or you can say UEFI BIOS, to enable the Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. For that, you have to restart your PC, and while restarting, you need to press the BIOS key on your keyboard. BIOS key differs from the manufacturer. Generally, it is F2, F12, F11 or delete key. Keep pressing the BIOS key when you see the manufacturer logo and you will enter the BIOS setup, or you can say UEFI BIOS. Now your BIOS will look something like this. The interface might be different on different motherboards, like I have this MSI and the BIOS looks like this. It might be in easy mode or in advanced mode. So if you see the easy mode is already enabled, you have to enter the advanced mode. So you need to find the advanced mode option or press the hotkey to access the advanced mode. In my case, it is F7. In advanced mode, you have to find and click on settings and look for advanced options. And then Windows OS configuration or something like this. And you will find the BIOS mode. It might be CSM, UEFI or Legacy. So you have to change the BIOS mode from anything to UEFI. Just click on it and select the UEFI option. And then you will get additional option to enable the Secure Boot. Click on it and then find the Secure Boot option and enable it. And click on OK if you see any warning. Now Secure Boot mode should be standard. If it is custom, you have to select the standard mode. Now let's go back to the settings option again. And then look for security option. And then trusted computing or something like that. And here you will find the security device support. You have to enable it. If it is disabled, click on enable. And then you will find the option to select the TPM switch. It might be AMD's FTPM, ITPM or Intel's PTT, DTPM or firmware TPM or discrete TPM. Whatever TPM switch is available, you have to select that. Now you have to save all the changes. Go back to the settings option and hit save, or you can click on this exit option and click on yes option to save all the changes. Now you see the security device support, that is TPM 2.0 is enabled. BIOS mode is UEFI, Secure Boot is enabled and CSM mode is disabled. We don't need CSM. And click on yes option and it will save all the changes and restart your PC. And after the restart, let's go to the system information again. And here you see the BIOS mode is UEFI and Secure Boot state is on. Now let's check the TPM 2.0. Press Windows plus R key together on your keyboard again and type there tpm.msc, then hit OK. Here now the TPM is on and you will get all the details about the TPM switch. And the version is 2.0. That means TPM 2.0 is enabled. Now you can try to open the Battlefield 6 and you won't face any such problem again. By any chance, if you have MBR disk but your motherboard supports the UEFI, Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, then you need to convert your MBR disk into GPT-1. And that is whole another process. You can watch some of my videos given in the video description. And while enabling the Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, you might face this problem like system is in setup mode and you need to have user mode in order to enable the Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. And I have a dedicated video for that. You can watch it somewhere here or here. Alright guys, if you are facing any other problem, let me know into the comments and I will try to create a video about it. And that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next one.